Designing your online store couldn't be easier. Once you've created the page that will host your store on your site, go to Content. Then under Application, add the Shop module. You have a wide variety of modules at your disposal: blog, photo gallery, restaurant menu, etc. Click on your module to make it appear on the page. Click on a product to access its parameters, then on Modify this product. From here, you can change the name of your product, add a description, images, as well as the price. You can also add a discount and choose whether or not to apply VAT to your product. And of course, at the very bottom, you'll find the option to display the product on your site or not. Likewise, adding a new product is very simple. You can change the order of your products as you like, then click on the 3 little dots at the top right. This is where you can manage your stock. You can also create categories for your store and generate coupon codes according to your criteria. This is also where you can track orders and manage customers. Under Configuration, several additional submenus appear, allowing you to configure more detailed parameters, such as currency, country, payment, and delivery options. You also have the option of activating a messaging system specific to your store, to keep both buyer and seller informed about the sale of the product. For further help, don't hesitate to check out our detailed FAQ on Site Creator on infomaniac.com.